How to check reviews on Savana app. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can check reviews on Savana app. So let's jump straight into it. First things first, go ahead and open your Savana app and make sure you've updated it to the latest version so everything runs smoothly. Once you're on the home page, you'll see plenty of products and categories: clothing, accessories, home items, and more. For this example, let's go into the clothing section. Here, I can see a dress that caught my eye. It's called the less upper line dress, currently at a 40% discount. When you tap on any product like this, scroll down a bit and you'll see the reviews section. If customers have left feedback, it will appear right here under the product details. For example, this one has a customer review talking about their experience. However, if a product hasn't received any reviews yet, you simply won't see anything in that section. Let's try another product. This one also has a review left by a customer, giving us some insight before buying. And just like that, you can repeat this process for any item you're interested in. Now, if you're looking for the bigger picture, meaning overall feedback on Savana as a company, you can go outside the app. Open your browser, type Savana reviews on Google, and you'll find several websites with aggregated customer opinions. One of my personal go-tos is Trustpilot. It's a trusted platform where you can read honest reviews from real buyers. Once you open Savannah's Trustpilot page, you'll see an overall rating along with individual comments. Some are very positive, praising the quality and service, while others might share things to watch out for. Reading these can help you make a more informed decision before ordering. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.